welcome to a quick overview of the new app for SC Vital Fitness called SCVF Digital. So once you've downloaded the app and logged in, you're just going to click this button and it's going to open the app on your screen. Now the first thing you're going to see is welcome, and then the SC Vital Fitness app with all these tiles in. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of how they all work. So the first one and the most important is book. You press the book one, and as long as you are logged into Go Team Up, the booking software on the web browser, it will open up and enable you to book sessions on the days that you kind of want. So to go back from that, you press the top left arrow on your screen to go back to the app. So you'll press it however many times you've got into Go Team Up, and it will take you all the way back to the app. Then we have the community. So the community, you click on that, and there'll be a few things on the community that you need to look at. The SCVF Legends Lounge is our own internal Facebook that you need to look at, and you'll be able to post on there and do all the stuff that you could do on Facebook, but it is our own internal one, so it is only the people in SC Vital Fitness that see it. Then we have the SCVF Digital, which is our external kind of social media for anybody that downloads the app and wants to see some different content. Then we have the events button, which you'll click. And once you've got the event, you can respond to events that are happening inside SC Vital Fitness to ensure that you don't miss out on anything. So you press the back arrow to come out of that again. The next button is the train button. You click on that and you will be able to see workouts in there that we do in the gym. There's warm-up, small group PT, move, conditioning and Metcon, which mirror what we do. The small group PT also has in it workouts that you can do with a band and one single piece of kit like we do on the online Zoom sessions. So also within that, we have a prehab and rehab section. You'll get joint-specific rehab and prehab videos that you can do at home or in the gym, and then lower back, upper back, shoulder, ankle and hip. We'll be putting more on as we go through the process. But if you need anything specific because you've got an injury and you've seen a physio, you then need to book a consultation with Sean, which is myself, in the gym to make sure that you can stay on top of your rehab and have a rehab pathway that will integrate you back into the personal training, because you cannot train at the gym when you're injured or ill. So we'll come out of that and we go back to the app again. So the fourth and one of the most important buttons is the contact. If you press the contact button, it will take you through to this page where there'll be a number you can ring, or you can press start and leave your details for us to give you a call or send you an email back within 24 hours. This is the only way you can contact the gym. All forms of contact via social media will not be answered. Then you've got recipes, which are just recipes for your nutrition. You've got a buy, you've got a track, about and watch. So all of these things here are integrated into the app so you can use them and take them through at your leisure. If you have any questions about the app on how it can be useful for you on your fitness journey, let us know by using the contact button and we'll speak to you soon.